In this guide, I'm going to show you how to label AI generated content on TikTok. So first, go ahead and open your TikTok application. Log into your specific account. Then after, click on the plus icon in the bottom of the screen to create a new content. You can take a photo or video or record a video or upload one from your gallery. And after creating or selecting your content, tap on next. And on the next screen, you need to tap on more options. If your content was created or significantly edited by AI, scroll down and toggle this option of AI generated content. Click on turn on, and this label will tell your viewers that your content was generated or edited with AI. And finally, tap on post to share your content. Once posted, your photo or video will be labeled as AI generated on TikTok. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.